cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. In Malaysian restaurant, there's one type of steamed fish that is very popular. It's actually my personal favorite. It's called Jiang Zheng fish. Yeah, most of the time they actually use the tilapia, but today I'm going to use something better, which is the snapper. The Jiang Zheng, if you really translate, it actually means steam using fermented beans. So this particular dish will contain some fermented beans umami taste. All right. So of course I have about 600 grams of red snapper here. Very fresh, as you can see, tell from the eyes. And then you can actually make few slits. After wash the fish nicely, make few slits, and also put a little bit of ginger inside the cavity and on top. And later I'm going to move this fish over to my steamer. Now, before I move the fish, let's talk about the ingredient to make the Jiang Zheng. Basically, you will need about, this is about 5-6 pieces of red chili chopped. This is approximately 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, and 1 tablespoon of chopped shallot. This is important for this dish. This is actually pork lard. Of course, if you don't take pork, you don't have to put this in, yeah? Fried pork lard. This is 1 big tablespoon of teochew or fermented soya bean. And in the market, you can find few types. You can find the salted type, the sweet type, and also the spicy type. I'm using the salted type here, right? And 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and then a little bit of light soya sauce and fish sauce and sugar and salt.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
So let's move the fish over to my steamer pot. This is the special pot for my steamer. And let's move this to the steamer. Okay, put the pot, fish pot inside the steamer, and now we need to set it to steam. This fish is not very big. I'm going to steam it for approximately 16 minutes. Should be enough.
Start cooking.
While waiting for the fish, we can start making the sauce. Now, if you're using a normal pot, you don't have to steam this size of fish for that long. This is simply because this particular pot will have a little bit of resting time, so it needs, I will always add about 2-3 minutes more. So this fish you can steam just about 10-12 minutes, maximum 12 minutes, I think should be fine. So now let's start making the sauce. We're just going to saute everything together and then add some water or some chicken stock. Let me start by giving a bit of oil. Put in the chili, garlic, and also shallot, and saute this for a minute or two for it to become fragrant. I suddenly cannot find my spatula. Let me find it first. So I have been sauteing this for about 4-5 minutes. It become red, more and more reddish color right now. Now we can actually put in the teochew, the oyster sauce, the tomato sauce, and continue saute. The color will definitely become even darker. Especially tomato sauce, you actually need the oil to really extract the reddish color out from the tomato sauce. See, immediately it becomes much darker right now. And it's super fragrant because of the tomato and also tomato sauce and also the fermented bean, the teochew. Don't use too high heat. you may burn it. Right, now we can actually put in some chicken stock. You can also use hot water. Of course, chicken stock is the best. Then you don't have to put chicken powder, yeah? So let's give it some seasoning. This is a little bit of light soy sauce to add the color also. This is a bit of fish sauce, my favorite fish sauce from Vietnam. Some salt, sorry, this is sugar. Right. And this is the pork lard. It's basically done. Let's just wait for the fish. The fish actually almost done. Almost ready. Done. You can add a little bit of cornstarch if you want. Alright, the fish is ready. By the way, if you want to know more about this particular steamer, I will put the information in the description box. Just only for those who are interested, yeah? Ooh! Nice, very nicely steamed. So let me very carefully move over the fish to the serving plate. Now we can remove the ginger. Oh, look at the beautiful whitish fish. Right, and then this is the jiang, yeah, the bean paste. Right, flood it, yeah. Bagi dia banjir. If you don't take pork, like I said, just omit the pork lard, yeah. The rest you can just follow. And I have, let's put in a little bit of fresh coriander on top. Alright, it's basically done. Let me zoom in for you. So here's my Jiang Zheng Snapper. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, click like, follow button, follow Appa on Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Now, we will be steaming a lot of fish during Chinese New Year. Why don't make one of the steamed fish this way? Yeah, just for the change.